In today's tutorial, we will learn how to draw a beautiful moonlight scene in MS Paint. This simple and easy guide will help you to create a peaceful night scene using the basic tools in the Microsoft Paint. So, without wasting much time, let's start the video. First, select the line and also select solid colors. Drag it like this. Using the Fill with the Color tool, select different colors from the color palette and fill different areas with color. After that, go to Resize, click on Pixel, deselect Maintain Aspect Ratio, remove the size using Ctrl X and put 1 there, then click OK. Again go to Resize, click on Pixels, deselect Maintain Aspect Ratio and paste the number again in place of 1, then click OK. This will create a gradient color here. Create the mountains using Brush tool and changing the colors. Then select all, copy it, right click and paste it here. Go to Rotate, select Flip Vertical. Create grass and water using Brush tool. Create a tree view using the Brush tool. Select the oval tool and outline, make it no outline. Select white color as well and create a round shape for the moon in the sky. Make a birds. Use the pencil tool to create stars in the sky. Select the freeform selection and create a cloud and fill it with the color. So guys, we learned how to draw a beautiful moonlight scene in the MS Paint. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more creative tutorials like this. So, see you in the next video. Thank you.